In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a header and a footer, and that's text that will show up in the top margin or the bottom margin outside of what you already have established as your margins. So for the header, to insert a header, it's very easy. I've got my mouse just clicked anywhere on my first page here. I'm going up to Insert, and I'm scrolling down to Header. I'm going to select that, and when I do that I get this box up at the top of the page, and now I can type any text that I want. So let's just say I want to add in some text advising people to not share this document since it's a draft. But once I have my text in here, I can format it more. I can make it larger if I want, and if it's really important I could change my color to red and change the alignment. So I've got my header all set up. Now if I scroll down on my page, I'm going to see that my header shows up on my other pages. I have 3 pages. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. Let's say that I want to make a change to my header. All I need to do is click into my header box, and I can just start making my edits at any point. All I have to do is click in and I'll have that ability. And I don't have to be on the first page. I can do that from any page. So here I am on the second page and I just made an edit. This process works the same way for a footer. So I'm going to go up to Insert and I'm going to scroll down to Footer. And I could type in the same text. And same thing, I could do any type of formatting that I want to do. Maybe this is less important and I'll just gray it out. And to get out of edit mode, all I need to do is go back into my page. And now if I scroll down, I will see my footer. It shows up on all my pages. If I have a document where I have, let's say, a title page, I might not want my header or my footer to show up on that first page. So I can fix that. All I need to do is click into my header, and I'm here on the first page. And notice there's a box. It says different first page, header, footer. I'm going to check that box. And it removed the header here. And I'm going to go down to my footer, and notice my footer is gone too. So it's a decision that you have to make for both your header and your footer. Either you're going to have them both show up on your page or you're not. You can't just say you want to have the header and not the footer, or the footer and not the header. But now look at my document. I've got no header, I have no footer, but on my subsequent pages I do have my header and my footer. And if I ever want to change that setting back, if I just click my mouse back up into the header on the first page, uncheck the box, and my text will show up again in my header and my footer. That's it. That's headers and footers.